So it's selective. This kind of goes to our phase 1 in human trial. Um, we have a Cell Reports published paper on this that you can go check out. It was published in February of 2022. Basically, it was a first in human phase 1 with newly diagnosed multiple myeloma that had undergone autologous stem cell transplant, which is a very common therapy that happens in multiple myeloma patients that's done first. It was 6 patients. It was done in Sweden at the Karolinska University Hospital. And all we were really determining at the time was safety and tolerability. We had some secondary endpoints of just how well things were working. This is a very busy slide, but all I'll say here is I'll point you to this graph here, and you can see it by visit 7 and 12. We're getting complete responses already and very good complete responses throughout the trial. And markers that are showing great effects of the NK cells are coming into very positive territories. So what I can say here is we had, in conclusion, the infusion of the NK cells as being safe and well tolerated. There was an observation of what's called a VZV reaction, which basically means that a portion of the patients that started got shingles. Now, we, of course, noticed this immediately, and by prophylactically prescribing them an antiviral before they started, it inhibited all of those future possibilities of shingles. And then we also found out that our cell-based immunotherapy was very feasible in multiple myeloma patients.
To watch the webinar, click on the link below.